Imagine being beaten in your own country. Not because you broke the law, not because you hurt anyone, but because you spoke Hindi. Yes, in Bengaluru, in Mumbai, in Chennai, people are being abused, thrashed, and humiliated just for speaking a language spoken by over half the nation. Ask yourself, is this the India our freedom fighters gave their lives for? This video will reveal what no news channel will tell you, who is really behind this hate. Why this is not about language, but about vote bank politics. And how this is part of a larger plan to break Bharat again. In Mumbai, a young boy was slapped and humiliated for not speaking Marathi. In Bengaluru, Hindi-speaking delivery boys and auto drivers were beaten.
Why should I speak in Hindi?
Okay.
Why should I speak in Hindi?
Okay.
This is Karnataka, okay? You have to speak in Kannada.
So
You
why?
have to speak in Kannada.
No, we will not speak in Kannada.
Because,
Why
because
we will
you
speak in
people are not
Kannada?
in it, because why are come to Karnataka? This
Okay.
is our land, okay? This is our land.
Okay.
This is our land.
In Chennai, migrant workers from UP and Bihar were threatened and bullied for speaking Hindi. These aren't random incidents, these are organized political hate campaigns. Language is being used as a weapon to say, you are not welcome here unless you speak our language. But what they really mean is, vote for us, or your culture will be erased. When regional parties lose support, they play their oldest trick, fear. They scream, Hindi is being forced on us. North Indians are invading us. Your culture is in danger. And the moment people panic, they vote for the same party that created that fear. This is not love for your language, this is abuse of your emotions for power. From political parties of Maharashtra to Dravidian parties in Tamil Nadu, the strategy is the same: divide Indians by language, win votes by hate. Let's look at the world. In France, French is sacred. In Japan, Japanese is everywhere. In China, Mandarin connects the whole country. In Russia, even regional republics speak Russian for national unity. And in India, when we promote Hindi, suddenly it's oppression? When we go abroad, we all speak English. No one insists on Kannada or Telugu in Canada. But inside India, speaking Hindi becomes a crime? Why? Because English is colonial and elite, Hindi is Bharatiya. And anything that represents Bharat must be demonized. Let's be clear, no one is asking you to give up your mother tongue. No one is saying stop speaking Tamil, Kannada, Marathi or Bengali. But what's wrong in using Hindi, a language spoken and understood by over 60% of India, as a link between us? This isn't about imposition. It's about connection. Yet hate-mongers turn Hindi into a villain. Just like they turned Sanatan Dharma into a threat. Just like they turned Vande Mataram into controversy. They don't hate Hindi. They hate what unites India. Let's address a common question: why should I learn Hindi? I speak Kannada, Telugu, Tamil. That's my identity. Absolutely. Be proud of your language. But here's the truth, if everyone only speaks their state language, how do we function as one nation? When you go abroad, you don't demand to speak Marathi in Germany. You speak English. That's called practicality. Same way, Hindi is not replacing regional languages. It's just a bridge between Bharatiya. You can love Kannada, Tamil, Marathi, and still respect Hindi. One doesn't replace the other. We got independence after 200 years of slavery. Slavery under Mughals, under British. And how did they control us? Divide by caste, divide by region, divide by language. But in our freedom struggle, we weren't Tamilians or Biharis or Maharashtrians. We were simply Bharatiya. From Bhagat Singh to Subramanya Bharati, from Rani Lakshmibai to Alluri Sitaram Raju, from Punjab to Kerala, Assam to Gujarat, we fought side by side. Do you really think they sacrificed their lives so we can now abuse each other over language? So we can thrash fellow Indians for speaking Hindi? Their blood demands unity, not politics. And don't think it's just local politics. There are forces from outside who want India to fight itself. They fund NGOs, manipulate media, push social narratives like North India exploits South India. Hindi is a weapon of Brahmanism. Separate Dravidian identity. Because they fear a united Bharat. They fear a strong India where Bharat speaks one voice, even in many languages. And we, the people, are falling into that trap. Speak your language with pride. But don't hate someone else for speaking theirs. Respect Tamil. Respect Kannada. Respect Marathi. But also respect Hindi. Don't let politicians divide us. Don't let foreign interests destroy us from within. Say it loud, we are Bharatiya first. And no language, no party, no propaganda can change that. This is Vocab Tales. If you believe in Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, like, share, and subscribe. Let's make unity louder than hate.